So we were in the sand there driving, and we were shooting a little bit of video, and started slipping on one axle. And you can see where we pulled the CV out, popped the snap ring off. That tells us we're running a little bit too long between the hub and the spool assembly. So it started slipping, and you could hear it under power. So we've got to shorten this up. Now the good thing is we have radius rods here that we can just tighten up and suck it in up here to keep our toe the same way. So here's where we're at full down, and the CV's looking pretty good in there, but when I come up to neutral, it's right on the edge. As I come up more, it goes back in. So we actually are out about a quarter to a half inch more than we need to be on this, so we need to adjust this in. When we come down, we're good, but when we're right here in this zone, we're right at the worst portion. So we just got to get that cleaned up and put back in. And what we'll probably do is, the way this hub mounts on the spool, we'll just loosen up the set screws, push this hub out a quarter to a half an inch, and then retighten it back down. If you don't know what we're talking about, just watch the spool video of ours. Should allow us to move this out, no issue, and that'll get us back and going. We had moved this out during alignment because it was pulling a little bit, and when we ran some strings on it, this wheel was towed out quite a bit, so we had to extend this out, and it got a little long on us here. So it must have just been with some of the extra pressure in the sand that caused it to pop out. We did drive it home. It was just slipping a little on the one side if we turned. We're hoping we can just push this back together, put the snap ring in, and we're back and running. We will have to, like I said, move this in just a little bit, but it's just part of having one of these machines. You don't know how much plunge you actually need, and it's tough to measure. So that being said, it was so easy to take the boot off. It might have been, in hindsight, it might have been worthwhile to pop the boot off to actually look at the plunge to see where we were set. But just we probably got 20-30 hours on this thing, and this kind of popped out now. So it had to just be the way we changed the alignment. We moved it 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 inch. It must have just been on the edge. We'll get that fixed up. We'll be back in the dirt.